Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to draw an object with measurements and the object snap option in AutoCAD. Go to Format. Under Format, go to Units. Before you start any drawing or any floor plan in AutoCAD, it's important in order to check Format and Units and check the scale in which you're drawing. If you have decimal over here, this has to be millimeters, while if you're working in the architectural mode, then this option should be inches. Click on OK in order to save your settings and proceed. Choose the line tool, click over here, and now we are going to specify our measurements on the command line. Say I want to draw a rectangle whereby my length is 5 feet. Click on 5 feet. My line has gone out of my page, so I am clicking on escape in order to move out of the command. Double scroll in order to get your drawing within your visible limits, and then scroll inwards. Go to the line tool again. Come to the corner of the object. This corner of the object, which shows me the endpoint, is my snapping option. Click over here. I will go down here and check on the ortho mode in order to get perpendicular lines for my rectangle. 2 feet is the width, 5 feet is my length, and I'll go back over here and just click over here in order to complete my rectangle. Click on escape to exit the command. This is my rectangle, 5 feet by 2 feet. Now if I plan to draw a square, I will again click on the line tool, click here, and I say 15. If I write 15, then I'm specifying something which is called inches. If I have this symbol, then it shows feet. Press Shift and the apostrophe option for a double apostrophe in order to resemble inches, or else this resembles inches also. Click on 15 inches, 15 inches again, 15 inches, and I'll simply go up and click on the endpoint in order to complete my square. Press Enter or the spacebar in order to exit the command. I have drawn these two objects with a particular measurement in mind. Now let's go down here to the Object Snap option, the shortcut which is F3. Right click over here and you can see a host of options over here. You have endpoint, you have midpoint, you have center, you have node. However, you are not able to see which option is checked and which is unchecked. For this, we will go into settings and choose or check which settings have been applied as of now. If you notice, endpoint, center, intersection, extension are the only options checked. Click over here on select all in order to select all the options. Click on OK, and now go to the line tool and let's draw. Click. Click. I'm going to choose the polar option for some more flexibility while drawing. Come to the corner of the object and you will see endpoint. Click over here. Now from the endpoint, come over here down and you will see something which is called midpoint. Click at the midpoint of this line. Come over here and you will see something which is called a nearest point. Click again. Go perpendicular and you will see the perpendicular point. This object snap option makes it effortless in order to draw floor plans and complete them. Double scroll in order to get your drawing within your visible limits, and then scroll inwards in order to reduce the size, or you can scroll outwards in order to zoom. We'll make a marquee, a blue selection. When all the objects are within the selection, the objects get selected and we will hit the delete key on the keyboard. Thanks for watching.